There'll be nobody left in the audience.
There's significantly more than 2 people there.
We need some positivity from that room.
Nope, not gonna happen.
Yes, definitely.
No.
Guys, you're doing this. Sorry.
I get 2 volunteers, guys. It's super easy. It's for fun.
Go, boys.
I'll explain it.
I'm gonna start picking volunteers.
Yeah.
All right.
So basically, the game is we're gonna get 2 volunteers. They're
Conscription.
gonna voluntarily come up here.
I'm not very good.
We're gonna do scene. No, you're great. This is how it's before. Oh, you've done it before? Repeater.
Say it.
Alright. So basically what's gonna happen if you haven't seen it before, we're just gonna do a scene and we're gonna forget what we're gonna say. And we're gonna have to ask these lovely people, what's your name? Alana and?
Alton.
Alton is so exciting.
No one's cut.
No one's talking to you, Alton. And they're gonna help us out. And whatever word or sentence they say, we will justify in the scene. So can I get another location for this restaurant kitchen? What?
Subway.
I heard a kitchen.
Subway kitchen.
Subway kitchen?
Yep, there you go.
Makes sense to me.
I really hate these sweet chicken teriyakis.
I know, they're just so much work, you know. Last week I cut up three chickens, and then they just started
Fucking exploding.
fucking exploding everywhere.
Look, I season these to the exact number of seasonings that the Subway Corporation tells me to put on.
You're an artist, no one's denying
I
that.
am a sandwich artist.
You are an artiste, a sandwich artiste.
Look, I don't need to work at Subway.
No, you don't.
I went to culinary
Hell
school.
yeah, you did.
My head chef told me that one day I could be
A chef in France.
a chef in France.
Yeah, he did.
Un chef de France.
Oh, chef du
I
France.
could have gone to the Cordon Bleu.
You still can. You still can go to Cordon Bleu if all you did was just. If all you did was just shit all day. You will get there, man. You will get there in a pile of your own shit. You'll get high enough and it'll reach over the ocean. That's how much shit you'll sit on and go to France.
I'm just very uptight.
I know.
You know that is a problem for me.
Through the window flies a French carrier pigeon. He lands here, and he has a message direct
There's a mustache and a cigarette.
from Cordon Bleu. It reads, and then he leaves.
They didn't even.
He said hi. He said hi. He said hi.
How are you?
He said hi. He said hi.
I never heard anything from them before I applied, and they just said no.
Oh man, the last time you applied, they said you need to work on your saute skills. You need to work on your saute skills.
I have been working on my saute skills.
Here?
Well.
There's no skillet.
Well, I've got
An artiste
a
like
secret.
you.
I've got a secret to tell you.
Oh, that took a turn.
Late at night, after 11, when we close down this Subway,
Yeah.
I open up my secret restaurant. I call it.
That basket of tulips was wonderful.
Sorry?
That basket of tulips was wonderful.
That basket of tulips was wonderful. It got 4 M's in Now Magazine. It's one of those little startups. Nobody knows about it. I serve baskets. I serve
Potatoes.
I serve potatoes. I serve
Birds.
birds. I serve baskets, potatoes, and birds.
Just as he says that, the bird returns, looks angered, and leaves.
Dude, he was listening. The cordon pigeon was listening.
Maybe they're not ready for a basket full of potatoes carried to your table by several birds holding it together with strings attached to their feet.
We gotta find that bird, man. We gotta find that bird and bring it back to Harry Potter. Bring it back to Harry Potter where it belongs. This is delicious.
Thank you. I'm glad you appreciate that. I put some light mayonnaise and then
Listen,
some
we're
sauce.
gonna get you to France, but it fucking kills me. I'm not gonna see you run away with all these lettuce shavings.
You know what? You're right. Gotta get rid of these stupid sandwiches in my fly-by-night hipster restaurant. I'm gonna go home, gonna get my knives, get my pots, get my spoons.
Natural progression.
They will have never seen spoons like this in France.
Oh, your spoons are
Delicious.
delicious.
I make them out of
I
bread.
ate all of them. Is that bad?
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Devil's Threeway and their special guest. And now in honor